Hello everybody, welcome to my house again. Today I wanted to share a sensorial lesson with you that's a little bit different than what we would do at school since we're at home. I'm in my home and you're each in your homes. So I wanted to share an idea that I had about how we can make some of the materials that we have in school to use, since sensorial is all about touching things and hearing things and smelling things even. So this one is about shapes. Specifically, we're going to make some quadrilateral shapes. Quadrilateral. Quad means four and lateral refers to the number of sides. So we're going to make some different four-sided shapes and then we're going to see how they relate to each other. We can do that with just construction paper and a pair of scissors. So I think that you already know the names of several four-sided shapes. Can you think of any, even now, just in your mind? I'm going to cut one out, and as I'm cutting, I'll show you the shape as I'm making it, and maybe it'll give you a clue to which one I'm thinking of. What shape did I make? It's a quadrilateral. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it's called a square. A square, because all four of the sides are the same. They're all the same length. I'm going to do another one. Ready? What is it? Can you tell? It's a rectangle. It also has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it looks a lot like our square, but this side is the same length, but these sides are long. A rectangle. I'm going to make one that some children really like to draw in their designs, and it has a name that you might know. It has two names. It has like a nickname, like a nickname might be for a friend, one that you call like Jimmy instead of Jim, or like that. So this one sometimes it can be a little tricky to cut straight up and down, but I'm doing my best. This one you might know, it's a rhombus, and you might have also said the other name, the nickname for it, which is a diamond, right? So it also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 sides, just like our square and our rectangle. Can you think of any other four-sided shapes that we could do? I know one. I'm going to cut it out. Does anybody recognize it? This is called a trapezoid. A trapezoid has a long side and a shorter side, and then two sides like this. Some children think it looks like a hat or a roof on a building. It's a trapezoid. And just like the rectangle, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I have another one for you. We are going to make, this one's got a fun name. That's my hint for you. All right. Let me. This is a parallelogram. A parallelogram has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but all the sides are opposite each other. So if they kept going, these two lines would never come to meet. So they're parallel. We call that parallel. It looks a little bit like a rhombus. Depending on the length, if this were shorter, like our rhombus, then it could be both a parallelogram and a rhombus. Pretty cool. All right, so we've made a trapezoid, a square, a parallelogram, a rhombus, and a rectangle. I hope you can make these too, and if you make them out of paper of about the same size, then you can use them the same way that we might use the constructive triangles boxes or the rectangle box. But it's our own box. It's one that doesn't even exist in the classroom, so that's kind of special. Anyway, I would love to see what you get up to, and if you wanted to do one with triangles, you could do that too. Maybe you'll come up with some different shapes that you can make together when you hold them up and find out what shapes fit together. Have fun!